Welcome to HealthWise Seniors. As we age, our bodies undergo significant changes that can affect our health and well-being. But did you know that some 80-year-olds are defying the odds and maintaining remarkable strength and independence? Today, we're going to reveal the 7 habits that set these super-agers apart and share practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily life. Get ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, stronger you. Imagine being able to maintain your independence and strength well into your 80s. Sounds amazing, right? But what if I told you that it's not just about genetics or luck? There are specific habits that exceptionally strong 80-year-olds practice daily to stay healthy and strong. Stay tuned to find out what they are and how you can start implementing them today. The 7 habits. 1. Hormetic stress. Explanation. Hormetic stress refers to the concept that exposure to mild stressors can lead to beneficial adaptations in the body. This can include practices like cold exposure, heat exposure, such as saunas, and intermittent fasting. Scientific background. Research shows that controlled stressors can activate cellular repair mechanisms, enhance resilience, and promote longevity. For example, cold exposure can increase the production of brown fat, which helps burn calories and improve metabolism. Practical tips. Cold showers. Start with 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your shower and gradually increase the duration. Sauna sessions. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes in a sauna a few times a week to promote cardiovascular health. Intermittent fasting. Try a 16:8 fasting schedule, where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. Personal anecdote. Share a story of an 80-year-old who incorporates these practices and how it has positively impacted their life. 2. Protein timing. Explanation. Protein timing involves distributing protein intake evenly throughout the day to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Scientific background. Studies indicate that consuming protein at regular intervals can help maintain muscle mass, especially in older adults who may experience sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Practical tips. Meal planning. Include a source of protein in every meal and snack. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Protein-rich snacks. Consider Greek yogurt, nuts, or protein shakes as snacks. Personal anecdote. Highlight a senior who has successfully maintained muscle mass through proper protein timing. Vitamin D optimization. Explanation. Vitamin D is essential for bone health, immune function, and muscle strength. Scientific background. Research shows that adequate vitamin D levels are linked to improved muscle function and a lower risk of falls in older adults. Practical tips. Sun exposure. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight exposure several times a week. Supplements. Consider a vitamin D supplement, especially in winter months or if you have limited sun exposure. Personal anecdote. Share a story of an 80-year-old who improved their strength and balance after optimizing their vitamin D levels. 4. Inflammation management. Explanation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues, including muscle loss and decreased strength. Scientific background. Managing inflammation through lifestyle choices can help preserve muscle mass and overall health. Practical tips. Anti-inflammatory diet. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber. Sleep hygiene. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support recovery and reduce inflammation. Personal anecdote. Discuss a senior who transformed their health by adopting an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. 5. Micronutrient support. Explanation. Micronutrients like magnesium, creatine, and methylated B12 are vital for muscle function and overall health. Scientific background. deficiencies in these nutrients can lead to muscle weakness and other health issues. Practical tips. Dietary sources. Include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and lean meats in your diet. Supplements. Consider a multivitamin or specific supplements after consulting with a healthcare provider. Personal anecdote. Share how a senior improved their energy levels and strength by focusing on micronutrient intake. Neuromuscular preservation. Explanation. Neuromuscular preservation involves maintaining the connections between the nervous system and muscles, which is crucial for coordination, balance, and overall physical function. Scientific background. As we age, the neuromuscular system can decline, leading to decreased coordination and an increased risk of falls. Engaging in activities that challenge balance and coordination can help preserve these connections. Practical tips. Balance exercises. Incorporate exercises like standing on one leg, Tai Chi, or yoga into your routine to improve balance and coordination. Dance classes. Join a dance class to enhance coordination while having fun and socializing. Functional movements. Practice movements that mimic daily activities, such as squatting, reaching, and twisting, to maintain functional strength. Personal anecdote. Share a story of an 80-year-old who took up dance or Tai Chi and experienced improved balance and confidence in their daily activities. Resistance exercise. Explanation. Resistance exercise, or strength training, is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass and strength as we age. Scientific background. Research shows that progressive resistance training can counteract muscle loss associated with aging and improve overall physical function. It also has benefits for bone density and metabolic health. Practical tips. Start small. Begin with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges, then gradually incorporate weights or resistance bands. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 sessions of resistance training per week, focusing on all major muscle groups. Seek guidance. Consider working with a personal trainer or joining a senior fitness class to ensure proper form and technique. Personal anecdote. Highlight a senior who started a resistance training program and saw significant improvements in strength and mobility. Conclusion. By incorporating these 7 habits into your daily life, you can take control of your health and well-being. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes. Whether it's adding a few minutes of resistance training to your week, optimizing your vitamin D levels, or simply taking a cold shower, every small step counts. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with these habits in the comments below. Have you tried any of these practices? What changes have you noticed? Your journey can inspire others in our community. Don't forget to subscribe to HealthWise Seniors for more health tips and advice. Together, we can unlock the secrets to a healthier, stronger, and more vibrant life at any age. Additional sections to expand the script. To reach the 20,000-word goal, consider adding the following sections. 1. In-depth scientific research. Provide detailed studies and statistics that support each habit. Include references to peer-reviewed journals and expert opinions. 2. Personal stories and testimonials. Include interviews or testimonials from seniors who embody these habits. Their stories can provide relatable insights and motivation. 3. Expert interviews. Feature interviews with gerontologists, nutritionists, and fitness experts who can provide additional context and advice on each habit. 4. Practical guides. Create step-by-step guides for implementing each habit, including sample meal plans, workout routines, and daily schedules. 5. Common challenges and solutions. Discuss potential obstacles seniors may face when trying to adopt these habits and provide practical solutions to overcome them. 6. Community engagement. Encourage viewers to share their own tips and experiences, fostering a sense of community and support among seniors. 7. Resources and further reading. Provide a list of books, websites, and organizations that offer additional information on healthy aging and the habits discussed.